A persistent cough or fever? Don't just shrug it off. This could be pneumonia, one of the world's most searched conditions. Pneumonia inflames your lungs and makes it hard to breathe. It kills over 2 million people yearly, and millions more search about it online. Watch for chest pain when you breathe, chills, fatigue, rapid breathing, and that stubborn cough. Stay hydrated, rest with a humidifier, and take fever reducers like paracetamol. Monitor your breathing rate to ensure it's not too fast. If you're short of breath, have chest pain, or your fever lasts more than 3 days, get medical help right away. This is before the doctor. Real health advice when it matters most. Like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more life-saving tips.